No problem. Yeah. Hey, bye. Here we go, quickly. Crazy buggers. Bring this grass back in here. Eat the grass. Makes alfalfa. Look at my guys. Hey, Mama. Let me get back here. Thank you. Lots for all you guys, okay? Take it easy. You guys gotta quit beating each other up. Look at all those little hams. They're coming. What you doing, bud? They're around, Checker. Figure it out. There you go. Yeah. Not too quick there, Maya. Good God, she's big. Oh yeah, she's bigly. Well, that's kind of nice. So there's a heifer over there. Might have an even trade heifer. Yeah. It would work. Hey, Pop, you bastard. That was... Hi. How are you?
That would be good.
Yeah, it would just bring our numbers up for breeding. To while out, but whatever. This one's a while out regardless, so...
Yeah.
It's only... Well, she was born in November, yeah. 2 months younger. She looks good for a November calf, you know, like she's filled out already and she's got nice fur and he looks great.
Yeah.
He's pretty solid now. What's up? What's up? What do you want? What do you want? Wait, leave her.
It's always exciting.
Yeah. She said she got back from work yesterday and there was right by the feeder. Like, oh, you lucked out. It was a perfect day for calving yesterday. Hey, Pap, don't eat that. That's poop.